What we have here is a wire feed flux core welder that the drive mechanism happens to have a plastic part in it that ripped out. It tightens up the drive wheel. The bolt pulled out of it, and I'll show you what I did to fix that. This is the barrel that the bolt goes in, that tightens it up. The wire goes through this hole right here, and as you can see, the plastic split apart, and the bolt came out of there, and it does not want to tighten up any longer. So what I did was I found a bolt that was similar in diameter. I cut it off, cut the barrel off of it, and drilled a hole through it. And what I will do is go ahead and attach that to there with a different welder and reassemble it. Okay, so this is the part that I went and replicated. I went and drilled a hole through it, and it's very similar in diameter, and I went and welded the adjustment screw on top there. This little tube here is a little bit movable, just like the original here. I'm a little skeptical about this being metal contacting the wire there, so I'm just going to put a dab of hot glue on the back to keep this tube in the same spot. Next, what we'll do is go ahead and reattach the outer casing here, and put the two screws in up on top, and the tension adjustment should be ready to test. Success.